Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to V-Best Kitchen, and I believe you are all doing great. Today I'm here to share with you how to make this delicious mini croissants, and I hope you like the recipe. Just check them out, they are so soft, buttery, and so melt in the mouth. So please stay tuned to the end as always and be inspired. Without further ado lovelies, let's dive right into it. Yeah. In a bowl, I'm adding my all-purpose flour or plain flour. Yes, next I'm adding salt to taste. Next I'm adding baking powder, sugar. Next I'm adding milk powder. And next I'm adding nutmeg powder. I'll then mix everything together until well combined. And I'll create a roll in the middle sort of. And I'll then add my butter just like this. Again, I'll combine everything by mixing so well. Yes. Once I'm done lovelies, again I'll create a hole sort of in the middle, and then I'll add my evaporated milk. Next, fresh whole milk. That's not all, I have 2 more ingredients to add to this. So next lovelies, I'll go ahead and add my vanilla extract for more flavor, and then yeast. Okay, so now I'm all done adding the ingredients. I'll go ahead and mix until a dough is formed. To get the right texture I'm going for, I'll then add some more flour like this, and then I'll mix everything together really well. Lovelies, I'll leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box, so don't forget to check it up here. So now on a clean work surface, I'll add some flour and then nest the dough. I'll proceed to activate the gluten in the dough by kneading really well. Yeah. To activate the gluten in the dough can take a long time or a short time depending on the size of the dough or the level of effort you are exerting into the action. So we are all done. Next, in a bowl with oil, I'm adding the dough like so. I'll go ahead and then cover the dough up with my cling film like so. After that, I will leave it in a warm area for about an hour or 45 minutes to rise. Yeah. An hour later, just check this out. The dough has really doubled up. So I'm going ahead to just take off the cling film, and also on a clear work surface, I'll then add our raisin dough like so. Yeah. I'll go ahead and then cut the dough into 2, and after that cut each half up into pieces. To get an accurate size and weight, it's advisable to use a kitchen scale, but I always love to eyeball them. Okay. Lovelies, to support the girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. Also help me recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. Yeah. So it's now time to make the dough into balls like this. All you need to do is to just pinch all the sizes together. You then flip the pinch size down and then you roll it just like this. Lovelies. Let's do it one more time. Yeah. You see, it's that simple. So next, I'm going ahead to add flour to my rolling pin, and I'll flatten the dough out into a circular shape. I'll repeat the process with the rest of the dough. Yeah. One done. Now let's do it again to cut the whole thing. Yeah. Next to a plate, I'm adding flour like this. Adding the flour will prevent the flat and circular dough from sticking to the plate. Yeah. I'll then add butter to the flat dough like this. And I'll repeat myself until all the flat and circular dough are done. Yeah. We are all done. So next, on a clean work surface, I'll add flour, and again I'll bring all the flat and circular dough like this, and you have to make sure that they are all in line. That's what I'm doing. Next, I will dust my rolling pin with flour, and I'll flatten all this dough out until they look nice and smooth. Here, I want to really stretch the dough, but the work surface is not big enough, so I'm cutting the dough into 2 to be able to do that. Yeah. So now I'm done with the first half. I'm cutting all the edges to get them really nice. Yeah. Now the edges look so nice, so I'll proceed to cut it out into triangular shapes like so. Now I'll cut the bottom part of the triangle into two like this, and then I'll fold them apart like this, and then I'll begin to roll them together until I get to the tip or the top of the triangle. Okay. And voila, we are all done. However, if you didn't get it, let's do it one more time, and I hope this time around you get it. You give the bottom a slit, and then you roll it apart for the first time, and then you roll it all together to meet the top or the tip of the triangle. I hope you get it. Beautifully done. So now we have all of them here. Next, I'll cover them up with my napkin for them to rise in a warm area for about 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes later we are back, and now I'm gonna head to add egg and evaporated milk wash to each of the croissant. Okay, you can use any of the two. You don't need to have them both together like mine. Okay, so once I'm done, lovelies, I'll put all of them in the oven to be baked nicely. Finally, I am back after 40 minutes, regulating my oven between 150 and 180 degrees Celsius. Check them out. Amazing color, not burnt. I love how buttery, how soft and fluffy they are. And I hope you've been inspired, lovelies. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. And if it's your first time seeing my video, I hope you've been inspired enough to join this amazing family. So don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Pause at it, click on the all option so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next one. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles. Peace out.